Which prophet came after Prophet Adam alayhi salam?
Prophet Noah alayhi salam.
What did people worship at that time?
Idols.
What did Prophet Noah tell them?
He told them not to worship idols, only worship Allah.
What did people do?
They did not listen and they beat him.
What did Allah order Prophet Noah alayhi salam?
And he started building a big ship.
What happened next?
When it started raining, the old people get drowned.
And who were saved?
Noah salam says, Muslims.
What lesson did you learn?
Should not worship idols. Jazakallah khair.